I'm going to cook a Filipino dish. Hello everyone, this is Michelle and I'm a Filipino living in Australia. I'm not a good cook, but I can cook to survive. I wanted to cook chicken afritada, menudo ba na siya, afritada, mechado, nalibog ko. I'm so confused. So I called my dad, who is the best cook in the whole world, and of course my mom. And I asked him what is the difference between chicken afritada, menudo, or mechado. Pati sila nalibog. Ano sila na siya? So anyway, they told me to get tomato sauce. So of course, nakalimot ko. I forgot. So here I am. I'm just gonna start to cook even though without the tomato sauce, and I will just do my own thing. Una ang giingon na survival. By the way, why is it tomato is called tomato in Australia, but potato is still called potato? Makalibog. So confusing. First, you start to chop off your vegetables, carrots and potato. And then I chopped up my garlic and onion. You should also fry the chicken or stir fry it, but I just put it in the air fryer para mas madali, and then dili ko matasikan sa cooking oil. So I got everything ready on the board. So first is to fry the carrots and potato di ay makalibog. Then after ani, kinagulat man time, just waiting. Masayaw set ta. You have to dance so you can give some good vibes to your food para malamig siya mas maunsaon na nimo pagkaluto. Well, that is a secret to good cooking. Put some love in there. Sayo na lang punta ani, bahala na lang. And then we go to sauteing. So mag-saute ka sa atong garlic and onion. You have to saute your garlic, onion, spices, and tomato. Or diba? That tomato. And then we'll put a fried chicken, not really the crispy fried, but a little bit fried, to the mix and put a little bit of soy sauce. Put hot water in it, let it boil, and then ganisha. It's not in the recipe, but then I put some chilies powder and paprika. Kaya diba, they said cooking is an art, so this is my art, magbuot. Kung isa may nasa pantry, whatever you have in the pantry, spices, just put everything in and just check out how it tastes. So that you mekus, you mix everything, and then you add the green peas. Once you saw that the sauce is like kind of thick now, so you put the green peas and you mekus again, you mix, and it starts to smell so fragrant, and that's the time it's all cooked. Thank you for watching!